factor 18x squared minus 8x to the fourth power. Okay? Notice they both have x's, don't they? Huh? There's something in what? In common? Huh? And they're both even numbers, aren't they? Huh? They're both even numbers? So they both can be divided by 2. So we at least have 2x there, maybe 2x squared. There is a common factor, isn't there? All right? So let's write this out. 18, how do I write x squared? And 8, how do I write x to the fourth? There are your 4x's. There are your 2x's. Now, we said we had a 2 in common also, didn't we? So let's write 18 as 2 times 9. Don't forget your 2x's. And this would be 2 times 4, wouldn't it? 2 times 4 is 8, along with those 4x's. So if there is one common factor, what would it be? Well, 2 is common, and we said an x is common. In fact, you got a couple of x's in both cases here. So if you write the yellow off to the side, we distribute the yellow out of that thing, factor the yellow out of that, what's left? What's left when you get rid of the yellow out of here? Well, you have a 9. Then there's your subtraction sign. You have a 4, and you have a couple of x's. How do I write this? How would I write this yellow? 2x squared. You say 9 minus what? Not 4xx, but 4x squared. So we could rewrite this, factoring out 2x squared like this, okay? Now look at your 9 minus 4x squared. You have two terms here. 9 minus 4x squared. You have a 9, huh? That's a square, isn't it? Is 4x squared a square? And do you have a subtraction sign between them? Aha, I have the difference of two square numbers, don't I? Huh? Well, how do I write that? 3 and with squares, you have 3 and 3, and 2x and 2x. How do you write the difference of two squares? Don't forget your 2x squared, but then when we factor this, we're going to get what? 3 minus your 2x, huh? And then you're going to have the 3, and then what? Plus the 2x, because we had square numbers, didn't we?